Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of a TPU case for the Samsung Galaxy M35 5G. So when it comes to phones guys under 15,000, and if you want a very good phone, the M35 5G is one of the better phones to get it, and it looks amazing in this particular blue color. And this particular case we got it from Amazon, so check out the link in the description to get it. And this is how it looks guys, and this is a very basic minimalistic case which we found on Amazon, and we thought of making a video and sharing it with you guys. And as you can see, there is a microfiber pattern inside which will help you to protect against dust and all. And it's a very flexible case which you can buy, one of the flexible cases. And basically, if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any updates regarding this. And also you can follow us on social media at the Creative Soft. We are quite active over there. And as you see over here guys, let me just put this phone in the case and show it to you how it's the cutouts, etc. And after using this particular phone for 3 months, I had no issues with this is one of the better cases, and compared to those expensive cases from Spigen and other brands guys. And let me just show you how well this case is made. And as you see, I'm not having any issues with the fingerprint scanner, and I can just use it with just one tap. And the ports and buttons and the cutouts, etc. are very good. And I think this is close to what you get with the premium cases. And the price of this case guys is around less than 300 rupees, and you can get it on Amazon, so check out the link in the description. And as you can see, it looks very minimalistic, quite and I basically like the matte finish of this case guys. And this case is not going to offer you a great what you call that drop protection and all, but it does the job of protecting your phone from minor scratches and dents. And I dropped this particular phone couple of times guys, and as you can see, there are these air cushion bubbles with the help of which it protected my phone. And I'm having no issues with the dust and all because there is this microfiber lining and all. And as you see, even when you are inserting the type C port while charging and all, I'm having no issues because the cutouts are quite precise in my case. So if you are looking for a case which looks premium for a budget price, this is the case to get it. And one thing to mention over here, as you can see over here, the top part guys of the screen is also protected because there is a slight lip which is covering on top of the screen, which is going to protect your phone from getting damage of just in case it falls on the screen. And as you can see, there are this small kind of gaskets kind of thing which is also going to protect your camera bump. And as you know, this is one of my favorite cases, which is for the M35 5G, and I highly recommend to get this particular case even if you have a premium case, because this is very handy, especially when you are traveling and all. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. And you can also follow us on other social media, subscribe to our channel, and do follow and check out these awesome videos which we have it. Let me know in the comments below which case you all are using for your M35 5G. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.